Crafting effective prompts is essential for creating high-quality AI-generated content. Effective prompts should be clear, specific, and aligned with the defined objective. Here are some tips for crafting effective prompts. Use clear and concise language. Avoid using ambiguous or vague language that may confuse the AI model. Focus on the objective. The prompt should be aligned with the defined objective and tailored to the specific type of content being generated. Use examples. Providing examples of the type of content that is desired can help the AI model understand the context and produce more relevant content. Avoid bias. Avoid using language or terminology that may be biased or offensive. Test and iterate. Test the prompts and refine them as necessary to ensure that they are producing high-quality content that aligns with the objective. By following these tips, marketers can craft effective prompts that produce high-quality AI-generated content. Effective prompts will help ensure that the AI model produces content that is relevant, engaging, and aligned with the marketing goals. In the following section, we'll discuss how to optimize prompts for the best results.